How to schedule a post in a Facebook group. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Menu. Then, tap on Groups. Here, you can view all your groups. Open any group from here. Over here, scroll down and tap on the status box. Type in a status and then tap on Schedule. Over here, choose a date and time for when you want the post to be published. After that, tap on Save at the top. Once you're done, tap on Schedule at the top right corner. Your post is now scheduled. Following these steps, you can easily schedule a post in a Facebook page. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.